The mystery of meteors, shooting stars. Meteors, often called shooting stars, are not actually stars, but small space rocks or debris that burn up upon entering Earth's atmosphere. As they travel at incredible speeds, the friction with the air causes them to heat up and produce a bright streak of light in the sky. Most meteors are tiny, often no larger than a grain of sand, and disintegrate before reaching the ground. However, larger ones, known as fireballs, can create spectacular displays and even leave behind meteorites if they survive the journey. Meteor showers occur when Earth passes through the debris left by a comet, resulting in a stunning celestial show. These cosmic visitors provide scientists with valuable clues about the formation of our solar system and the mysteries of space.